Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the headset is connected and powered. Once done, launch Roblox Player and join any place so menus are active. You press Escape to open the in-game menu, and then navigate to Settings. This exposes the VR option you need. Make sure to stay on the desktop or monitor view while doing this so you can interact with the settings reliably. This first step lets you reach the toggle that controls Roblox's VR mode without needing to remove hardware yet. You now find the VR section inside Settings and switch Enable VR to Off. This tells Roblox not to use your headset. Once done, make sure to close any VR runtime like Steam VR or the Oculus app to avoid them forcing VR back on. If Roblox still detects VR, exit the game fully, quit the desktop client, then relaunch Roblox and rejoin the place. The change typically takes effect after a restart. This sequence prevents automatic reactivation and ensures Roblox resumes desktop controls. To finish, relaunch Roblox and confirm you're back in standard mode. If VR persists, reboot your PC to clear any lingering VR drivers. You can temporarily unplug the headset's USB or USB-C to force Roblox into non-VR mode, then reconnect later once you want VR again. Make sure to check settings after restarting to verify Enable VR is still off. If problems continue, the one key troubleshooting tip is to fully close VR runtimes and reboot. That clears driver locks and lets Roblox detect only desktop input.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.